The West MacDonnell Ranges are one of the most incredible places to explore in the Australian outback, from hidden swimming holes and towering gorges to epic lookouts. And in this video, we're going to be sharing some of our favourites through the ranges. Some of the most spectacular walks in the West Mac Ranges take you straight into narrow gorges carved in the ancient rock.
So first up is Simpsons Gap. It's only about 20 minutes from town, and this stunning gorge cuts right the way through. If you come here in the evening, like I am now, or first thing in the morning, you might even get lucky and see some little black-footed wallabies. Unfortunately, however, you're not allowed to swim here, but there's plenty of other places to swim along the way.
A little further along the ranges is Standley Chasm, one of the most dramatic natural formations in the area.
This is the walkway and the entrance to Standley Chasm. It is an extra paid section. It's not included on the National Parks Pass. $12 per person. The little area is cute outside, but so far, so good. The walk is stunning. The rocks are super jagged. And yeah, it's quite different, and well, the path is super easy to follow because, well, you pay for it, so let's go. We've got here just in time. Wow, when the sun is in the middle, lighting it all up red. Oh, it looks incredible.
So this is Standley Chasm. The walls of the chasm rise some 80 meters up above you, and at midday the sun comes through and lights up the whole area with a glowing red. The land is owned and operated by the Arienti people, so coming here supports the community as well as just this amazing place. Amazing.
These are so tall. I'm trying to show you just how tall these are, but I'm not very tall, so that view, wicked. Somehow managed to get the place to ourselves. How good. My verdict, worth the $12. What do you reckon, Ben?
Definitely.
Can't get over these rocks are just so red and jagged and crazy shapes, which has obviously been here for so many thousands of years.
Ever.
Yeah, it's just so cool to see. This is such a cool part of the world.
Serpentine Gorge is another quick stop along the drive, but is well worth the effort. The short but steep climb takes you up to a lookout above the gorge, where you get sweeping views across the whole West Mac Ranges.
Once again, so many flies. Ugh. So unfortunately, Serpentine Gorge isn't a swimming spot, and yes, I know I look ridiculous with the fly net on. For my own sanity, I'm leaving it on. But it's only a short walk, it's about a kilometre from the car park to the area, and we're almost there, so I'll show you in a sec. So made it to the top of the viewpoint hike at hike. It's hot. It's a lot of stairs. Let's check out this view.
That's beautiful.
Wow.
Pretty stunning up here. Worth the stair climb, I think.
Yeah.
Got us moving today. We were busy working in the van. Good to stretch the legs and make the most of these fly nets.
For them to use.
Don't you reckon that looks like Pride Rock?
It does a bit.
From Serpentine Gorge, we continued west through the ranges towards one of the most famous stops in the region, Ormiston Gorge.
Right, we've come just around the corner of the main section of Ormiston Gorge. It is stunning if you just walk around the corner. We're about to walk 9 k's around. I'm not quite sure where it goes. Called the Pound Walk. Comes very highly recommended from our friends Tom and Joe. It looks like a stunning day. It's actually only about 22, 23 degrees, so perfect day for a midday hike. It feels so wrong hiking in the middle of the day. Got peanut butter smoothies ready to go. And yeah, we'll come back and swim when we're all warm at the end, I think. But stunning so far, so let's see if it gets any better. So this is a bit of a rock clamber from the main Ormiston Gorge, but we've done just over a k, 1.2k, and you can basically have this secret swimming hole all to yourself. It's so cool. But we're going to keep going around. I think we'll come back here when it's not windy, and it's forecast to be super warm the next couple of days, so hence why we're hiking today and going to swim the rest of the days. Finally made it through the rock bed. It was a bit of a mish. Lots of rocks. Stunning view. Now we walk up the hill.
The trail winds through dry creek beds, towering cliffs and open desert landscapes, offering a completely different perspective of the gorge.
7.5.
As well as the Pound Walk, there are several other walks at Ormiston Gorge, one of which we came back for sunrise. Good morning, we're back at Ormiston Gorge today for a little sunrise hike. I say little because I can already see the end point up there. But we're just gonna
10-minute walk.
It's the gum walk. It's not very long, and hopefully we'll see a magical sunrise as is common in this part of the country. Yeah, take you along.
This morning. This is good. This is great. And fresh enough to wear a little jumper. Beautiful. Time for coffee now. Let's go get coffee.
As well as some incredible gorges and short hikes, the West MacDonnell Ranges are also home to a number of beautiful swimming holes, perfect for cooling off after a day exploring in the Red Centre. And one of the most popular is at Ormiston Gorge.
Togs on, fresh cold drink. Let's go for a very cold swim.
Go.
It's enough fly action for today, I think.
Right.
Back to the bed. Need a snack. I need a coffee off it. I'm very refreshed. That was really, really good.
So the Ellery Creek Big Hole is one of the most popular sites in the West Mac Ranges, and for good reason. Just look at this. After hours of driving, there's nothing better than diving in this cold, cold water. It's like stumbling across a true desert oasis. Just be sure to bring your fly nets.
Right near the western end of the ranges, Helen Gorge offers another stunning place to swim.
Yet again, it's outdone itself. We are at Helen Gorge. We came down, walked through these incredible, I don't know what they are, I'm going to say cane fields. Definitely not that. And then you're treated to this massive gorge, this huge deep swimming hole. You can even jump in. Came down, there was a family in here. But now we have the entire place to ourselves, and it is absolutely stunning.
So
We weren't even going to come here, but I'm really glad we did. great spot for jumping off the rocks and having a proper swim and relax. And there's just enough of a breeze to keep the flies at bay, although Ben's outfit now would disagree. I think the moral of the story is don't skip anything if you've got the time. Continue to see all the spots. Now we're going to enjoy lying in the sun and enjoying this serenity, peace and quiet, and we'll catch you at whatever next spot we decide to go to.
The West MacDonnell Ranges aren't just about gorges and swimming holes. There are also some incredible lookout points where you can take in the vast scale of the Red Centre. One of the most recognisable peaks in the West MacDonnell Ranges is Mount Sonder. Standing at over 1,300 metres tall, it's one of the highest mountains in the Northern Territory and marks the western end of the famous Larapinta Trail. Even if you're not planning to hike to the summit, there are several viewpoints nearby where you can take in incredible views of the mountain rising above the surrounding ranges.
So we've just pulled up at this random viewpoint on the little loop that we're doing. It is incredible. And if I hadn't just seen a sign that said Uluru was 500 kilometers away, you're telling me that's not it? That is incredible, whatever it is. Oh my gosh, it's like 360-degree views of mountains. The West Macs, man, they're absolutely incredible. And we've even got some pretty flowers. I'm actually in awe. Let's check it out and put some drone footage over the top.
From up here you can really appreciate just how vast and rugged this part of the Northern Territory is. The West MacDonnell Ranges are one of the most incredible places to explore in the Northern Territory. From towering gorges and scenic lookouts to swimming holes scattered throughout the ranges, there's no shortage of amazing spots to discover out here. Whether you're hiking, swimming, or simply enjoying the drive, this part of the Red Centre is definitely worth adding to your travel list. Let us know in the comments below which stop in the West Mac Ranges you'd most like to visit, and we'll see you on the next one.